So here's the current situation at 16:49 hours on August 11th, 2023 on Maui. Looks like finally we have a lot of US military helicopters. We have Sikorsky helicopters. Yeah, US Army Sikorsky helicopters everywhere, which compared to yesterday, there were none. Sikorsky Black Hawk helicopters, and we also have some planes that carrying cargo, Southern Airways Express, and then we have a regular commercial jet as well, Alaska Airlines. Okay, so yeah, we have one inbound here, another Sikorsky Black Hawk UH-60M.